really bad storm. Look at that. Strobe light. Never seen that before. I've seen it, but not like this. That's strobe lightning. Strobe lightning. Insane. Look how bad the lightning is. Strobe light. Never seen that. Seen that before. Never seen that before. I'm trying to get a close video of that storm. That's strobe lightning. I've seen that before. It's a good video of that storm. Where's it going? It's going. Whoa! See? Whoa! Look at that. See that? That's what I call. What I call. Whoa! That's close. See him getting shots of the storm. Man, that storm is impressive. Wow. That's the people downstairs are going to do the storm. This storm is pretty impressive. The people downstairs don't get this kind of view. Downstairs don't get this kind of view. Wow, look at that, man. It's crazy. I've seen that before. It's insane. Storm lightning now. Storm lightning. What's it going on there? It's going somewhere now. Whoa! Wow! Whoa! That was nowhere near the house. That had been near another power line. Wow! Oh my god, that was close. That was really close. That was insane. So I'm taking. Whoa! Another one. There's no one near the house. No one near the house. Like in here, it's like going north for now. It's insane. Look at the lightning, man. I'm just gonna take a video of that. Let's put this on YouTube. Whoa, saw that? That's not regular lightning, that's strobe lightning. Strobe lightning, that's not regular lightning, that's strobe lightning. Oh my god. Look at the side of that storm. Taking video of the storm. Updates from notes. Whoa, I got that one. Trying to see if I can get some boats in here. There's some. Oh! I don't know if that was a boat or not. I don't know if that was a boat. I couldn't see it. That was close. Oh my god, that was close. And the people up top don't get this kind of view. Oh man. But the people up top don't get this kind of view. That's insane. YouTube me a lot of YouTube stuff. People at the top don't get this kind of view. I'm trying to see if I can get a boat in here. Oh! There's one! There's a flash! I don't know if that was lightning or not, but that was a big flash that just passed. Oh my god, it's a good thing I'm filming this. That was a big one. Oh my god, that was a big one. Oh, another one, but that was a weak one. I hope I see a lightning strike. This is pretty cool. People from downstairs don't get this. No one else get this kind of view except me. I'm bloody lucky to have this kind of room. Oh man, strobe lightning. I've never seen this before. I never got this on camera before. It's insane. I never got this on camera before. That's insane. Strobe lightning. It's insane. Filming this on my camera. That's pretty impressive. It's hot in here. It's hot in here. Trying to see if I can get up that. Oh! I don't know. I couldn't see that. I hope I got that on film, bro. Man, strobe lightning is insane. I've seen pines in this before, man. It's over there now with us. Oh my god, maybe guys. Oh, another one. But is it? It's going north right now. It's going north. Still filming because it's pretty insane storm. Oh, whoa! I don't know if that was over us or not. I'm gonna see that. Whoa! Look how it just lights up the whole entire sky. That's insane. It's crazy. It has light up the whole damn sky like that. Wow. It's insane. You got this whole thing on camera too. It's insane. They get a good bolt in here, so we list some lightning bolts. So if here we downstairs at the house, though, you know, I want to get this view. And on the other side, don't get this kind of view like that. It's like the view coming right here. Oh man. Yeah, that's the same lightning strikes. If I stop the video, I'm gonna miss the bolt, so I don't want to stop the video. Miss the bolt, I don't want to miss the bolt. Oh! There's not a flash. I don't know if there's a bolt or not. There's not a flash of lightning. Be a lot better if those stupid buildings were not in my way. Stupid light is in my way, so it's probably just go out right. Stupid light is in my way. Stupid damn light is in my way. Oh, another one. Wow, I got another one, another bolt. Another bolt, that's insane. I got another bolt in there. I got another bolt. It's pretty insane. It's pretty insane. Lightning is insane. It's only like almost 8 o'clock in the evening if it was doing lightning strikes. I'm wondering if that's something like. I was hoping to get a bolt in here or something. That lightning is insane. It's just a lot of flashes, that's all. There's no bolts and none of this. But no bolts. It would be a lot better if that stupid building wasn't in my way. Oh man, nuts. Just don't let me like that.